Step inside a home that turns coastal calm into pure luxury, where every room feels bright, tailored, and quietly unforgettable. Soft daylight washes through the living room, and it feels like stepping into a calm, expensive breath. The pearl white walls glow gently, while the navy accents and bleached oak floor bring a quiet coastal rhythm. Everything feels tailored but lived in, elegant without effort. I can almost hear the stillness here, broken only by the soft movement of curtains and the sense that summer might last forever. The dining room has that rare kind of grace that makes every meal feel slower and more meaningful. Sunlight slips across the long table and catches the pale cabinetry, the paneled walls, and the subtle blue touches that keep the space feeling fresh. It is polished but never cold. You sit here and instantly want to linger because the room feels like a warm invitation to stay a while. The kitchen feels bright, serene, and beautifully composed, like the heart of a home that knows exactly who it is. Natural light pours across the marble island and soft pearl cabinetry, giving everything a gentle, luminous calm. The wide oak floor grounds the room with warmth. It is the kind of kitchen where mornings feel hopeful, where even simple coffee seems more comforting, and where the whole day can begin softly. The breakfast nook feels tucked away in the sweetest way, as if it were made for slow mornings and easy conversation. Sunlight gathers on the built-in bench and warms the soft fabrics, making the whole corner feel intimate and alive. The pearl white palette keeps everything airy, while the oak floor adds a quiet, familiar warmth. It is the sort of space that makes an ordinary breakfast feel like a small luxury. The master bedroom carries a hushed, restful elegance that instantly settles the mind. Sunlight moves softly across the pearl white walls and tailored bedding, giving the room a gentle, coastal glow. The textures feel rich, but calm, and the oak floor adds just enough warmth to keep it from feeling too polished. It is private, serene, and deeply comforting, like a place where the whole outside world finally lets go. The home office feels thoughtful and composed, but still warm enough to want to stay for hours. Sunlight spills through the tall windows and brightens the pearl-toned walls, making the books, leather, and wood feel even more inviting. There is a sense of quiet confidence here, like the room encourages clear thinking without ever feeling struck. It feels personal, polished, and comforting, the kind of workspace that makes focus feel easy. The sunroom feels like the most effortless part of the house, where daylight seems to live all day long. The rattan textures, soft cushions, and pearl white backdrop create a relaxed elegance that feels both fresh and deeply comforting. Every surface catches the sun in a gentle way, and the whole room feels open, airy, and close to nature. It is the perfect place to pause, breathe, and simply enjoy the light. What stays with you here is how restraint can feel rich, soft light, layered texture, and a palette that makes the entire house breathe with ease.